this jump starter to the test. I've got an old Chevy Suburban that's been sitting out in the field for a while, and it's just barely cranking. It won't even, it'll kind of turn over. That's pretty much dead right there. So we're not hoping for an actual start because this thing's been sitting for so long. I did pour some starter fluid in there, but we're just hoping that it'll give us a crank. This will represent a car that has been running, but it just has a dead battery. So if we get a good, 5 or 6 cranks out of this thing, it'll be worthy. If not, I'll have to put it back to the drawing board. So we got our flashing green light right there. Positive. Oh, that's negative. Positive. Negative. Yeah, let's see what we got. Nothing. Oh, now our light's green. I think we were supposed to wait for the light to turn green. Let's try it now. Nice. Whoa, it even started. Wow. I was not expecting it to start. But as soon as that light turned green, we seemed to have all the power we needed. That's actually pretty good. I was kind of freaking out there for a minute. Light's still green. We're good.